Hello, friends. I warmly welcome you all to my Meow Cats channel. Enjoy watching cute cat pictures on our channel today. Keep supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. There are two means of refuge from the miseries of life: music and cats. Albert Schweitzer. Owners of dogs will have noticed that if you provide them with food and water and shelter and affection, they will think you are God. Whereas owners of cats are compelled to realize that if you provide them with food and water and affection, they draw the conclusion that they are God. Christopher Hitchens. A happy arrangement. Many people prefer cats to other people, and many cats prefer people to other cats. Mason Cooley. It is impossible for a lover of cats to banish these alert, gentle and discriminating friends who give us just enough of their regard and complacence to make us hunger for more. Agnes Repplier.